right over there behind me. That is a train track. Two traffic goes on that. Pedestrian traffic. And freight traffic. Epic.
Look, duck. Get with the duck. The duck. Okay. Go bite.
Damn. Oh. Ducks do be flying though.
Want to take a picture of graffiti?
What?
Want to take a photo here? Got it.
Sure.
Damn. Yo, we're right under the tracks. I wonder if a train will come.
Get the light of the...
Oh, the lights there. Oh, the lights. Nice.
I'll put my shoes on here.
No, no, no. Look at the dirt.
It's fine.
It's dirty. No, no, no. Just keep it. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm not even gonna be standing. It's fine.
There's literally.
The gold train! That's sick.
That's sick.
You had it right.
Yeah.
That sucks. We weren't ready. We're underneath it.
It was whatever. I still saw the GO train.
Okay, let's go up there. I'm gonna die though.
Don't try not.
Next train's
Yeah.
coming from there. It's
You
gonna
need
come. We have 15-minute intervals before the train comes.
This is the end of Kyle's
That's how Kyle dies.
secret.
Your hand gets sliced by the train.
Don't make it.
Yeah, it was like, by the way, I'm pregnant, and then you just fucking kill him.
How good's your phone quality?
Train's coming, but I'm not gonna
720p, 25 frames.
There is a railing to stand down that you won't. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Yo!
Andrew! Andrew! Where's Andrew? Where's Andrew? Andrew, where are you?
It's so loud!
Andrew's dead! Oh shit! There's fire!
I'm getting down!
Our rock! Our rock! Think about the rocks!
Think about the rocks!
Ah, yes, rocks.
Why is it more?
Because it's a freight train, god damn it.
I want to take photo!
Nico, no! Nico, no! Don't leave us! No, Nico! Nico!
Oh my god! Ah!
Nico!
Ah!
No! Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Oh, get down!
It's so
Get
loud!
down!
Give me a phone!
No!
Oh my god! Ah!
Nico!
Ah!
Nico! Oh
Take a
shit!
photo! Over there!
Oh, oh my god!
That was so scary! No, it's too much. I need triangle.
The
That
duck
duck is
immediately.
going for the rock. Ready?
This is why you shouldn't feed the ducks.
No, that's bad.
Let it
Oh,
come.
it's
Oh,
Yo, they're all coming. What the
they're all
fuck?
going.
ready?
Oh shit.
Let's hit him. Okay, let me do this one right over there. Yeet. And then that one distracted them. Go, yeet. Now, I'm coming back.
Quack.
Yo, guys,
Keep heading over there.
I think I just found a dead body.
Yeah,
What the fuck is that?
it's a bugger.
What the fuck?
I'm dead.
Anyway, we made it out of the trail. It just goes to a random neighborhood. Looks like absolute shit. Anyway, fuck you, Alex. You could have been here with us, but you decided not to come. So fuck you. Fuck them.
Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you.
I'm
Fuck,
kidding. No,
fuck
they
you,
don't
Alex.
seek it.